Today's show is sponsored by Perry Christian Church, located at 1700 West Hospital Road, Perry, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, January 7th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleomedia at paleo.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Movie Monday. We will play a video and you have to tell us what movie that video is from. Here's the video.
Horns that open bottles, and I got horns that hold my keys. I got horns when you turn them right to help me watch TV.
Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Friday night, boys JV basketball lost and varsity won against Mitchell. On Saturday, boys wrestling went 2-3, losing to West Washington. Also on Saturday, both JV and varsity girls basketball won against Borden. Tonight, boys junior high basketball is playing Perry Central at home starting at 6. At 6:30, girls junior high basketball will be playing Bedford away. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thank you, Joni. I can see here you got about a 90% chance of rain in your day. Should see some rain later in your day. Today's high of 58 and a low of 51. Tuesday's high of 54 and a low of 29. And it should cool down Wednesday to be about high of 33 and a low of 19. Back to you, Joni.
Congratulations to Audrey Manchip for winning today's trivia question. The answer was hoodwinked. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.